Hi everyone. The neutral question raises to everyone is how does it actually the CMMS works in practice and what does a day in the life of CMMS enabled maintenance operation look like? So let's walk through that now. The CMMS functions as a centralized database that supports and organizes maintenance activities while automating key processes. It ensures the right equipment and the right informations are available to the maintenance team at the right time, enabling the quick responses to the issues and allows feedback collections. The modern CMMS solutions are completely cloud-based, making the maintenance data accessible anytime from any device. So we'll see how it works. CMMS is a asset structuring where every plant asset is registered in the system along with its location, manual, drawing, and complete service history. Once the assets are defined, maintenance activities are executed through digital work orders that are created, assigned, tracked, and closed within the system, ensuring full traceability. Based on the asset criticality and failure patterns, preventive maintenance schedules are configured to shift maintenance from reactive to the planned execution and avoiding unplanned breakdowns. Now, let's pull back the curtain and look at how a CMMS actually operates in a live industrial environment. The best way to understand is through a lens of working day on your plant floor. For example, when the morning shift starts at 6 a.m., your maintenance planner opens the CMMS dashboard and he sees three things, for example, immediately. The preventive maintenance work orders due today, and also corrective work orders from the overnight, and also any condition based alerts from the equipment monitoring system he can see while opening the dashboard. Here there will be no hunting through the paper files or log books, no calling around to find what's happened in the last shift or what happened in the night shift. Everything is right there in front of the operator or a maintenance planner. A field technician receives their work order on their mobile devices only, already loaded with the task procedures and also the safety requirements and also required spare parts as well, and the asset history, complete history he can see there. They scan the asset's QR code at the equipment log by logging their start time and execute the work, and they record their findings and close work order digitally as well. The entire data trail with labor hours and parts consumed and also failure observed and corrective action plan which is taken is instantly captured in the CMMS. At the end of the day, the maintenance manager reviews a real-time dashboard with all PMs completed with any deferreds with the reason log, and any new corrective work order is raised from an inspection finding and the spare parts consumed, and also the cost of the today's maintenance activity is also captured and asset and the right asset at the cost center as well. Here no paper and no data entry backlog, no guessing are done. Only the data compounds over time. Like if for example, if you see after 6 months, we can see the assets generates which asset generates the most reactive power we can see. And after 1 year, you have the failure history that enables the real reliability analysis. And after a couple of years, you have the evidence to justify the capital replacement decision based on the life cycle cost data. So this is how a typical CMMS live environment works in any plant or in any industry.